everyone, my name is Arel and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you are doing well. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of a new planner cover that I got. I want to switch out every 3 months with my main planner, my Plotter Mini. So right now I do have her in, or I have my planner in the black shrink leather by Plotter. So it has been wonderful using this guy for the last 3 months, but I wanted to do something different for the next 3 months of the year. So this is a brand called MeePlus, and I believe it is a Chinese brand, but they're actually based here in California, because I'll explain later with the shipping and stuff like that. But so this is what people online have been calling the Plotter dupe, because it's pretty similar to the look of the Plotter, but obviously it's a different brand. I have not opened this yet. I do not know what it looks like inside, so we're gonna check it out together. So here she is, at least the box. It's all wrapped up still. It has pretty secure packaging, which is really nice. Oh, and it even has a dust cover. We love that. So, oh my gosh, she is wonderful. So this is, oh, good God. Oh my gosh. I am genuinely impressed. She is gorgeous. So this is the Pueblo leather in the color olive, and if you want to see the details, so this feels raw, like a very raw leather. It's smooth, but it's not completely smooth as I would describe it with the Licio leather. I don't know if you pronounce it that way with the Plotter, but oh my god, this gorgeous green. Oh, I'm so excited. I have a Pueblo leather by Plotter, and I have it in the navy. I did get that pre-loved, so I kind of had seen its patina already, and I really like it. So I don't have it right now to compare, unfortunately. It's at my boyfriend's house, actually. I'm in LA right now. But anyway, I just adore that leather because it was so soft and it just looks really nice. So I'm hoping, because these are similar leathers, this is also the Pueblo leather, that it's gonna be similar. So I did have a few customizations with it. So when you pick it out on the website, you pick out which size. So the pocket size is same with just 6 rings, and they give you the option of what color spine you want and what rings. So I opted for the gold rings, and oh yeah, they're Kraus. I could tell because it's heavy. So these are Kraus rings, and you can also pick out what size rings they have. So Plotter has a 11mm rings, and it's standard. There is no custom ring size. However, with MeePlus, you can choose between 11 and 13. So 13, these are 13mm. I wanted to try something bigger. Not as big, it's just an additional 2mm. But it's really good quality. I mean, it's Kraus rings, so we all know the Kraus rings are really good and opens and snaps on really well. And then also I got the brass or gold spine. So as far as the customizations, you do pay for the extras. So the gold rings, since it's gold. I think if you pick either 11 or 13 as silver, it doesn't cost anything. It's the same price, but if you want gold, it's an additional 20. And then the gold spine is an additional 10. So that's an extra $30 to what I paid for. So the pocket size, the mini, and then it's the Pueblo leather. It doesn't matter which color, it is a standard of 140. Plotter, this whole thing, at least the Pueblo price is 140. So they're pretty similar, and it's free shipping. I believe Plotter's also free shipping, so it's just like $5 more, to a point where if you just opted to do silver and same size rings, that's $30 less than the Plotter. So just first impressions, it smells amazing. So it's pretty similar, honestly. I wish I really had my Pueblo leather with me, but if you guys are interested, I did do a video on the Pueblo leather back in December of last year, so I'll link it in the cards right now. But it's just, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to move in here and then just play around. And then the rings. So the rings are like, just this planner by itself, it's really heavy. What I like about my Plotter, like this is actually feels heavier than this. And this doesn't even have anything yet because the rings here are so small. And it's not Kraus rings, I think. I don't think it is Kraus rings. But it also came with a ring protector. And it came with free inserts that I'll probably won't use them, but let's just open them up. So they have these like 2-day page things. Oh, maybe I'll use them. I'll try them out. But they have this fold out, which is kind of nice. And it's undated, so you can use it whenever. And then there's like lists. There's dailies, 2 days on one page. And this one is just a grid with these details on there. It's kind of nice. And then this colored one. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'll actually use them because it's pretty functional looking. And then this is the ring protector. I wish they had these in different colors too, to kind of match, but I don't know, it doesn't really bother me. I think that's how you put it on because that's how the Plotter is. Yeah, I think it just needs to get softer. It's a little stiff right now, but it's also leather. And it probably looks like Pueblo leather too, actually. So yeah, here we are. What I was saying earlier about the shipping, I did order this on March 9th and it got delivered to me March 22nd. So that's less than or 2 weeks-ish turnaround time. And based from the label that they gave me, the tracking number, and even from the return address on the box when I received it, they're based here in California. So maybe they just have a place here, which is really nice. I thought it was actually coming from China, so this is really good. It came at a really good time. I still have a week left of March, but I do intend to use this for April. Yeah, I'm excited. I don't know if I'll use it. It feels really stiff when you close it, but I might use my Plotter one if it fits. We'll see. So anyway, this is the MeePlus planner. I might add my gold corners right here for it. I have a bunch of extra ones that are different kinds, so just to keep up with the theme, but she is absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited to use her, and she just feels, it's not smooth. It feels kind of, I don't know how to, I'm not really familiar with, or I'm not really good with leather terms, but it feels raw, like raw leather for some reason, but this part is smoothed out. And I think I tried to stick something on here with my Pueblo navy Plotter, and it came off, so it's pretty similar to that one. Yeah, so overall impressions so far, it's really good, and am excited to move into a different cover. So yeah, I recommend them. As far as the price, it's a little lower than Plotter, but not that much. And the turnaround time was pretty good as far as, you know, I wanted to use it in April and it's not even April yet. So I'm glad that it got here at a decent time. And packaging looks nice. They give you some freebies, and yeah, so no complaints so far. I can do like obviously when I move into this and do a review for April with my planning system, I'll definitely add my thoughts about the cover. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna link all the information, or the website at least, down below, and then I'll write all the stuff that I talked about in the description box if you guys are interested. And yeah, I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.